What is up, people? This one Kamle, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, I am very much excited because I am not talking about a specific topic. I am going to talk about 5 things every college going boy, every college going man should definitely own, or they really need. Fashion essentials, I believe. So yes, let's dive into it. First thing first, obviously some good sneakers, something very versatile and something which will pop out. So this is Converse Chuck 70s. This will cost you around 6,000 rupees, and Converse All Stars, that will cost you around 4,300 rupees. These are one of the most durable, one of the most versatile, one of the most everyday sneaker you can have, if you understand what I'm trying to explain, because this can be very versatile. I have worn this for 5 years and just have a look how good they look still. So yes, this is one of the very important thing you can have, because I have worn this with formals, with streetwear outfit, with very basic stuff, and they go with everything. That is how good this is. And then I'm talking about this Puma CA Pros, a good leather sneaker in white and red, which will pop out and which will give you a character, which will be a conversation starter, definitely. So you can have anything like this. I'm not telling you guys you should buy this or you should buy that, but I'm talking about something versatile. Like, I hope you understand the range I'm talking about. So yes, this will cost you anywhere around 4,000 rupees, sometimes around 3,000 rupees, sometimes around 5,000 rupees as well. So keep your eye on them. When you find the best price for you, just get it. Then we move towards one of the best accessory a man can wear, a good watch. And I assume you are a college going student, and that is the reason you are watching this video. So you have a good small budget, and that is the reason I want to suggest you one watch, like the best watch you can have, a Casio vintage. This will be a game changer. This is one of the most versatile watch you can wear. This will only cost you 1,695 rupees, and the best value for money watch you will ever put on your wrist. And if you're like me and want to play around with some colors, you can definitely go for this Casio MQ24B. I just love how this pops on the wrist. I just love how lightweight this is. Very lightweight and really good for my small wrist. If you have small wrist, only then go for this, because this is really small on the wrist, and sometimes even for my small wrist it looks small. So yes, this is just for fun, and the days when you just want to have fun with your wrist or fun with your outfit, that is the day you will pull this out. And this will cost you 1,995 rupees, but sometimes on sale you can get it around 1,200 rupees, 1,500 rupees, anywhere around that. So yes, keep your eye on it. Now let's talk about some shirts. Flannels, the best casual shirt you will ever have. This will keep you warm. This will make you look masculine. This will definitely make you look like you have some good muscles on, and these are very versatile. These kind of flannels are available in different colorways. You can get it in whichever color you like, but I believe you should at least own one. And then we talk about one of the most important shirt every boy should have in their closet, is a good clean white shirt. This will make you look classy. This will make you look manly. This will give you authority without even asking. That is how white shirt plays a role. A white shirt is a white shirt. So yes, buy a good one. And then coming to pants, and one of the best thing you can have is a blue denim. And I believe you are a college going student, and that is the reason you are watching this. So yes, blue denims is equal to casual fits is equals to college days. So yes, blue denims is must, because you can definitely get them in different styles, like loose fit, straight fit, whatever you like. But blue denims are very important for your closet, for your wardrobe, because they are one of the most versatile thing you will ever own. And blue denims are on the top of the pyramid of denims. I believe that. And then yes, you should also consider a black denim if you want, because they are very versatile as well, because you can dress them up, dress them down, whatever you like. And all of the stuffs I have shown you in this video, I have got it from Amazon. The Amazon beauty sale is live from 18th to 22nd of July. You can go and check it out right now. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.